YouTube. It's an exciting time. I just reached 100 subscribers and I would like to thank you for the continued support. Today I am covering an exciting topic. Today I am covering Kafka streams. I am using Confluent Platform and it includes built-in connectors that can be used to stream data from commonly used systems such as relational databases. I have been playing around with the Confluent Kafka for past few weeks and wanted to use it for ETL or rather ELT. The aim is to stream data from source and then read the stream and load it into a destination. It's really an extract and load technique. I'll be streaming data from MySQL on Linux and load it into a SQL server running on Windows. Just a heads up, I will not be covering Kafka setup in this video. I will leave the links below in the description for Confluent Kafka setup videos and documentation I have followed. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. I have a source server running on Linux with MySQL. The aim is to extract data from MySQL and stream it to a Kafka topic. At the time of recording, the Confluent Kafka version is 5.3.0 and we need the following services running: Zookeeper, Kafka Server, Schema Registry, and Kafka Connect in distributed mode. If you're new to Kafka, I would highly suggest Learning Journal's channel. It's easy to follow and to the point Kafka training videos. Let's move over to Kafka Server and create a source and sink connector. Code for both of these connectors is available on GitHub. Link is in the description. I am going to paste code for the source connector first. It's in JSON format. Hit enter and now you can see this connector available in Kafka Connect. You can check it on localhost port 8083/connectors. You should see our newly created connector available there. Let's repeat this step for sync connector. We are going to do another post request with connector destination database with connector URL. Hit enter to create this connector. Let's refresh our browser to check if it's created. Okay, both of our connectors are online. Let's see these in action now. If you're ready, then let's dive into it. I have the source database on the left and destination on the right. All the Kafka services are up and running. First, I'll log into my SQL database and query the product table just to make sure it exists. I will also launch an Avro console consumer so we can see the records being streamed to the consumer. Let's insert a record into the product table and see if it's streamed to our topic. Okay, in a few seconds, record appears in our topic. Now I am going to execute the query on the destination server. And voila! Our topic data is loaded into SQL Server. Let's insert few more records into the source database to test it again. Our stream is successfully inserting data into Kafka topic as well as inserting it onto the destination database. So the extract and the load is automated. Let's try and update a row to see if it's being picked up by our topic. It appears into our Kafka topic, and let's execute the query to see if it makes it to the destination database. And it's working perfectly fine. Let's take it up a notch. Let's revise the source system schema and see if the schema registry does its magic. I am going to add product column to the source database. I'm going to paste pre-written code and execute it. Column is added, but no apparent change anywhere. Let's update row 2 with product code, and voila! Schema registry logs this as a new column in our topic. And also it appears a new column is inserted into the destination database. This is incredible. Just to see this in action again, I am going to add another column. This time I am going to add a current flag column and update one row again. Schema registry send this as a new column to the topic, and this is also added to the destination database. We can check the schema versions by invoking the port 8081. And you can see that if I pick up the PSQL products-value, it has 3 versions. So these are the 3 changes that we have made to our schema. Here is the Kafka Connect workflow. MySQL result set is queried via JDBC connector, and it is converted into Avro bytes and streamed to Kafka topic. From the topic, it is converted into result set, and via JDBC sync connector, it is loaded into SQL Server. Links for connector configuration, Confluent Kafka setup are in the description. This is all on Kafka Stream for now. Be sure to like and subscribe and post any questions that you may have. Thank you for tuning in.